Hello children, welcome to part 2. We'll start with a case study on floods in Assam. So children, as you know, Assam is a state in northeastern part of India, and it is very famous for its wildlife sanctuaries, wild animals, archaeological sites, and especially tea plantations. So children, this river Brahmaputra flows through Assam, and every year it causes devastating floods in Assam. So in this part we are doing a case study on the floods in Assam, and we'll also see the other causes which are responsible for flood conditions in Assam and how it affects the life and environment of that state. So here you see the major causes that are responsible for the flood condition in Assam are as follows. So first one is mighty river Brahmaputra. So river Brahmaputra is the immediate cause of flood. Due to heavy rains, the river Brahmaputra and its tributaries flow above the danger mark. The excessive water level causes severe floods along its route, especially in the lower areas of Assam. Next is geology and geomorphology of Assam. So most part of Assam is mainly plain area. So it also helps in flood conditions. Then drainage congestions due to man-made embankments, and lastly human encroachment of riverine areas of Assam. Next, how it affects the life of the people there. Houses and other constructed areas get damaged, then boats and different fishing equipments get lost. Many people and livestock may drown in the floods. Clean drinking water gets contaminated, which leads to serious illnesses. So it happens after the flood. Then sudden food shortage due to loss of harvest and crops. And last effect is floods may also affect the fertility of soil. It causes soil erosion. You can see the different figures. Now children, come to question answer. We'll start with 4th, think and answer. Number 1, the river Brahmaputra is the main cause of floods in Assam. How? Elaborate your answer with suitable examples. For this answer, come to page 52. You will be writing from here only. The river Brahmaputra is the immediate cause of flood. Due to heavy rains, the river Brahmaputra and its tributaries flow above the danger mark. The excessive water level causes severe floods along its route, especially in the lower areas of Assam. Next, economically weaker sections, women and children are more vulnerable to a disaster. Why? Please write this answer. During a disaster, the women and children are more vulnerable because they are physically weak and can be easily exploited. Full stop. Secondly, the weaker section of the society also suffer because they have limited access to the available resources. Full stop. This will be the answer. Next, true and false. Explosion is a natural disaster. False. Landslide is a disaster that occur naturally. True. Preparedness is the first step of disaster management. True. NIDM is in Mumbai. False. We should keep flammable liquids in the house. False. Match the column. Mountains, disaster prone area. Floods, natural disaster. Dam failure, man-made disaster. River Brahmaputra, Assam. NIDM, Delhi. Now revision assignment. Disaster we have already written. Next is vulnerability. Mark this answer from page 50. Let's inquire. Vulnerability is the extent to which a community can be affected by the impact of a natural or man-made disaster. Next, disaster management. Page 53, link box. Disaster management is a program that comprises disaster prevention, mitigation measures, response and recovery from the dangerous situation. Next, flood. Page 51. Flood is an overflow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limit as a result of an increase in water level of a reservoir, heavy rain, dam burst, etc. Next, earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden vibration in the earth's crust. Page 51 again. Then answer the following. What are the effects of a disaster? Come to page 49. Effects of disaster, all the 4 points you will write for this answer.